ChartHop's datasheet page allows you to easily view, find, and analyze your employee data. Use it to get custom views of your organization and efficiently access essential data. When viewing your employee data on ChartHop's datasheet page, you can define what you see in several ways. Choosing which fields you like displayed as columns, sorting the page by the column you choose, applying filters to control which employees and jobs are included on the page, and viewing analytics directly from the datasheet. When you first navigate to the datasheet, you'll see the default dataset across each employee in your organization. Let's start with adding some new data to the display. Click Select Columns. In the Select Columns dialog, choose additional fields from the categories provided. In our example, we'd like to look into how employees are distributed among our compensation bands and when their stock's latest grant date was. In addition, you can use the Find Column or Category bar if you already know the specific columns you'll need. After selecting all the new columns, click Apply. Remember that in order to see the data associated with the field, you must have the proper permissions. If you choose a field you don't have permission to see, that column will display blank. Now, let's reorder the new columns. Jumping back into the Select Columns dialog, you can reorder columns by dragging and dropping the column header within the column order list to your right. If you want to remove a column from the order, click the X next to the unneeded column. In our example, let's remove the last grant date and add base salary as well as location. Click Apply to save your changes. You can sort your data sheet by a particular column. For example, when viewing your organization, you can sort by clicking a column header like the Location column to group your list of employees by location. Sort by department or job title to quickly organize a different view of your employees. You can also click on the arrow in the column header to sort that column's data by ascending or descending order. Now, let's move into how you use filters to customize which employees are shown in your datasheet view. You can set filters on the datasheet page to refine the list of employees that are included. For example, you can filter your list by role type and show only individual contributors. You can also use field rules to add more detail to your search. In our example, we want to filter our results by employees with low employee engagement ratings. Let's close everything off with a look into analytics in the datasheet. Hover over the column header in the datasheet for quick analysis of various data. For example, when you hover over the department field, you'll see how the employees included in your datasheet view are distributed among the departments in your organization. Also, in our example, you can view how your employees break down by compensation bands. For fields that have numeric values, you can use the header row to customize the formula used to calculate the total amount at the top of the row. Choose from Average, Maximum, Minimum, or Sum. For this sample, let's see what the average base compensation is for the employees shown in your datasheet. Congratulations! ChartHop's powerful datasheet page allows you to navigate your employee data efficiently and have essential insights at your fingertips.